Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining the little review. Today's week was sent over by Week Types mini review for my audience to go ahead and watch the install of the week and then come back and I'll give you my 54 cents of whether you should pick it this week up. Let's go.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child, I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams. And I can feel the world changing around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need. All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child, I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams. And I can feel the world changing around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need. All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child, I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams, and I can feel the world changing around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look in my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look in my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
So now you have watched me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. Again, thank you Beautythruheri for sending me over this unit to review for my audience. You guys are awesome, and I really do appreciate collaborating with you every time. The wig that they sent over to me is from Bobbi Boss in their premium synthetic collection. I have the unit in the style MLF547 Cleona. Cleona is part of their Medifresh Safe and Clean Cap collection. She does have 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. She does come with a 3.5 deep lace part right here. She has air-to-air lace, natural baby hairs, does come in special colors, and she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I have Cleona in the color DLT4326. I will leave it down. I will leave it in the video so you guys can see, because it is a lot. I know I said it fast, it is a lot. Again, DLT4326. So this is what Cleona looks like, and yeah, can you tell if Auntie Titi loves it by that smile or not? Y'all want me to say it? Oh, Auntie Titi loves this unit. I love this unit. So this is what it looks like. And this is how I styled mine. I shifted mine a little more to the left versus how it is on the stock card, because I envisioned it looking just like that with a high arch bang. So yeah, I had a vision in mind when I sent over this unit to collab with Wigtype. So, and that vision came true. So I am so thankful for Wigtype for sending me over this unit. I hope they really enjoy how I style it. And yeah, so what do I think about the unit? It gets a 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. All you need is a fancy ball dress and a nice restaurant or a nice place to go, and you are ready. Just put it on and go. It's very beginner friendly, very big head friendly, no shedding, no tangling, just the right oomph. You just need that dress. So go ahead and pick up this unit and tell Wigtype's Auntie Titi sent you. So if you got the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to go ahead and like the video, share the video. I'll see you in the next week. Bye guys.